Today we're going to take a tour through the Geode profile app. So at the Geode public portal, you can just click here or you can click up top. Either way, you will go to the profile app. If you're looking for some recommended accounts to look up, click that button right there and it will give you a couple of ideas. So you can do three things here. You can update your own profile. You can look up someone else's profile, or you can search, and there are two different ways to do that. So let's start by taking a look at how you update your own profile. To update your own profile, you're going to have a pretty extensive profile that you can fill out here. The first thing you're going to do is decide which account you're filling this profile out for. In the Web3 world, we might have many accounts. You can make profiles for all of them. So you decide which account you're going to use. You can put in your preferred display name, your location in the world, the expertise and offerings tags, just like comma-separated keywords of your expertise and your offerings if you just want to make it concise. You can put in a bio. It can be fairly extensive. It doesn't take emojis and certain special characters. It has to be from what's on your keyboard. If you can see it on your keyboard, you can use it. If it's not happy with you, it will turn red and you will know that you've used a character you shouldn't. And you can fill out a bio. You can put in the link to an image that you want to use. So how do you get the link to an image that you want to use? You can just copy the image address from your favorite photo off of Facebook, LinkedIn, your own personal website, a photo you may have stored on Google Drive somewhere. Copy that URL and put that in there. And we've got 3 different spots for websites that you can put in here on your profile. And then these are the accounts that you use. So this is where you would say which account you use for life and work on the Geode system, which account you use for social, which account you use for private messaging, which account you use for marketplace, and any other info that you want to put in there. As we end up with a kind of a large number of different apps, you may want to show people where they can find you. And if you want to, you can hide your profile from search. If maybe you don't want to be publicly searched, you can just say, yes, I want to hide that profile. And then you click submit, sign it with your account password, and that's it. For account lookup, we'll look up my own profile just to show you what that looks like. Again, it's asking you who's asking and who do you want to look at. So this first account is who's asking for this information, and the second one is who do you want to look at. So when we view that profile, and there's a key up here if you ever get confused about any of the little icons that you see down here, you can turn that key on and off. And we get all the different information, location. This is where those expertise and offerings tags end up. These are where your websites end up. Those are linked, but you can see the link there before you click through to it. You have bio, where to find me on different apps, and more info down there. And so profile is sort of a jumping off point for helping people find you on the different apps. But it's got some powerful features of its own. So I can close that. If I like, I can close that. And that was account lookup. So for search, I can search 2 ways. I can search by account. And this again is who's asking and what are we searching for. And when I search by account, it's going to tell me which profiles are listing a specific account anywhere in the profile. Or I can search by keyword. And again, as always, these forms begin with who's asking and then what are the keywords that we want to search for. So if I search for the word blockchain and search keywords are case sensitive, I will get multiple profiles. So I have 2 profiles here that match my keyword search. And so I can take a look at them. I can see where to find them on different apps. So if I wanted to now, I could go take a look at this resume over on the Life and Work app. So I just copied that account public key, and I could go over to the Life and Work app and see his entire resume. And there's a lot of really cool things you could do with this as a jumping off point to all of the other apps. And that is how we use Profile.